Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CS channel and back to Computer Architecture and Organization series. This series for exclusive who are preparing and attending the exams like GATE, UGC, NET and so on. Today we are going to see the topic called types of instruction format in COA. The previous session I explained about idea about instruction set and what about instruction format. So you know the computer perform the task in the form of instructions only, where followed by the idea of operand, opcode, what is the meaning of operand and opcode, and so on, and followed by the three types of CPU organizations like single accumulator organization and also stack organization and so on. Let's go for types of instruction format. These are the very basic and important topic. Definitely help for write competitive exam like ISRO and upcoming any scientific or whatever the competitive exam. The question asked from these areas also. So listen carefully. Here instruction format. There are four types of instruction will be there. 0, 1, 2, 3 instruction format. We see one by one. You know an instruction in computer comprises of groups called field. So already discussed it in the previous session also. First one, 3 address instruction. Let's assume that we have a statement called C is equal to A plus B, and moreover I told you please compare this one with the help of C programming for understanding better way. So C is equal to A plus B is there. So here if you want to get let's assume that here we have a command called we have the use of this code is what to add the two values, that is high level program command A plus B in the C. So if you compile the program, what happen, the A value and B value and C value stored in the different memory locations generally happen. So how we go to three address instruction, just listen here. Then here what happen means to add the value of two variables A and B and to assign the sum a third variable C here, and also these are assigned to the different location in the memory, and the content of these locations represent the values of three variable like that only. So you want to get the result when you go to the missing instruction format, that is C tends A plus B, the square brackets. Now to carry out these options, the contents of the memory location of A and B to main memory and transfer into the processor where their sum is computed. The result then sent back to the memory. Sorry, there is small error. Sent back to the memory and stored in the location C. And also single mission instruction of all A and B C, and here the single mission instruction of all A and B is available, and here A and B are source operands and C is the destination. Remember, so if you want to perform the addition of two numbers and stored in the C, we have to follow the three address instruction format, where it have the format of operation followed by source and destination. Source 1, source 2 and destination. Start, not operation, operand. Then two address instruction. So this is how do you do the three type instruction. Now come to the two address instruction. Here same, just take the general format of the two address instruction, where it have only two field here, source followed by destination, only source and destination. There will be small. Here source 1, source 2, destination will be there. Here operand will be there. Here operation will be there. Source 1, source 2. Here only one source and one destination. So here general format is like that. Let's example A comma B. If you want A comma B, add A comma B, what happen after executing, it will be in the form of the CO. B tends A plus B in the square bracket. This is the result you have to get when you go for the two address instruction. Here there will be a small error, there will be some problem arised when you go for three type instruction. What happens generally here the in three types, whatever the information you are giving A comma B, the content of A and B never destroyed. But when I come to this two address instruction type, what happen means when I give like this add A comma B, in the content of B is destroyed. To overcome this, to solve this problem, you can do another option. That option we are using. That option you can use means what will happen means here we can copy. The solution is to copy the contents of memory location to the another location. That's what that is. If you want to perform C tends A plus B, you can use this format, that is move B comma C, then add A comma C. So whenever give like this, the information in the B and content of B and C never destroyed, even A also. It be stored in somewhere and at last give the result. These are the points you have to remember about the two address instruction. Format is source and destination, two field only. Then another type is one address instruction. Here a processor register usually called the accumulator will be used here. Remember, one address instruction, only one one format, only one block is there. There we have source only. Here in three type, the one type instruction for we can give say example add A. If you give add A means what? The contents of memory location A is added to the contents of accumulator and places the sum in the accumulator like that. I'm again repeating. One type one add instruction. Here a processor register usually called the accumulator. Steps will be there. Before seeing the steps, example it's add A means what? Here add space A means the contents of memory location A is added to the contents of accumulator and places the sum. Places the same in the accumulator. Remember. Then we can say example. If you want to execute the steps, load A means what? The copy the contents of the memory location A into the accumulator, and store A means copies the contents of accumulator to the location. Let's see the example. If you want to execute the operation C tends A plus B, you can perform the steps like example load A, add B, then store C. Okay, load A, add B, at last you can give store C. Sorry for inconvenience, here I have to type. Here store C. So what will happen? Load A, same meaning, contents of memory location A into the accumulator, contents of memory location A into the accumulator. Then store A means copy the contents of accumulator to the location here. So add B, so first load A, then add B, then store C. That means what? The result of A and B will be stored in the C. This is an example of small example of one address instruction. Then zero address instruction, the one where the locations of all the operands are defined implicitly here. Here store operands in a structure called a push down stack. So I think so you have idea about data structure and stack. So stack means what? Here stack is where you can say it's a list of elements where the words or bytes of the information according to CO, computer organization, will be there. It will be removed, either added or removed from the stack. Easily you can do. It follow the mechanism of LIFO, that is last in first out. Remember, stack means LIFO. Then the upcoming session I explained more and more. Then here a processor register called stack pointer is used to keep a track of address of the element at the top of the stack at any given time. So when I go for stack push and pop operation, here stack pointer will be there. It will be in the starting of the representation of the stack here. So we have stack here push and pop, stack pointer will be always come. It denoting the keep a track of address of the element at the top of the stack at any given time. That means monitoring. Remember. So like that we can easily understand the zero address instructions. Okay, I hope that you understand the idea about why we need the three type instruction and what is the format of three type instruction and two type instruction with the example, two example at last followed by one type instruction and zero address instruction. The upcoming session I explained about the single accumulator CPU organization, one by one, three types is there. Upcoming session definitely I explain. If you have any queries or anything, you can connect with me social media anytime. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.